One of the red flags in hiring an attorney is hiring an attorney who's just passed the bar, who's freshly licensed with no experience in Colorado. Sometimes this attorney may have many years of experience from another state, but that doesn't mean that there's a perfect transition to learning how to practice law in Colorado. Or the new attorney is a new attorney even in the state of Colorado. And in that case, you may still very well have a very clever new attorney. I would just recommend that you make sure that there is a supervisor or some kind of team of attorneys to go along with your primary attorney who has that brand new bar number. One type of red flag of hiring an attorney is understanding the billing process. If the attorney you hire is not detailed in explaining how the billing process works, too often that leads to billing disputes between you and that attorney. And at New Leaf, we avoid that by having very clear conversations about how our billing works. And we offer the monthly subscription so you know you have a consistent budget to expect every single month. A red flag in hiring an attorney is one who is not specialized in their field. So if a friend says, my personal injury lawyer is so great for your divorce, maybe, but maybe not. I recommend finding an attorney that specializes in family law if you're looking for divorce or child support or child custody issues. An example of how it can go bad for you if you have an attorney who doesn't specialize in family law is the attorney that you've hired is just not expecting certain things or is so out of practice in family law that they're making lots of mistakes, which costs you more money because if that other attorney is charging you by the hour for them to make mistakes on your case, well, why would you want to do that? And that's why I recommend that you hire a family law attorney who specializes in family law, not someone who specializes in door law. If it walks in the door, they'll take the case. So when you see an attorney on their website and they have 20 different areas of law that they work on, they're stretched too thin. One type of issue that comes up when you're looking for the right attorney is looking for the attorney that matches your values. So this isn't so much a red flag as a bit of advice. So if you're looking for litigation, then go for the attorney that's going to help you litigate. You want to fight, go fight. But if you're looking for the attorney that wants to help you resolve things, come to settlement, and not, I mean, if we have to fight, we'll fight. But if we don't have to, let's mediate, let's settle, let's be rational and reasonable and come to an agreement. If that's what you're looking for, then New Leaf could be the law firm for you. One thing to look for when you're hiring an attorney is their communication skills. Attorneys are ethically required to be responsive to their clients. So whether it's by email or by phone, the attorney needs to respond within a reasonable period. And if you're never hearing from your attorney, whether it's emails or phone calls, that's a terrible situation for you to be in. And you need to be with an attorney who will answer your phone calls and return your emails within a very short, reasonable time. If you have any questions about hiring an attorney, please call Newleaf Family and we can set up a free case evaluation with you.